Family Engineering Night with the Works Museum is such a great experience for schools and their students and their families. Our Family Engineering Nights allow families to engineer together, and the school doesn't have to do nearly the amount of work that it takes for teachers to put on this kind of event themselves. All the school needs to do is set up a space for us, market the event to their families, and provide tables, chairs, and some volunteers to run the activities. Our staff does the rest. We bring all of the materials for the kids to build lots of different hands-on projects, some of which they get to take home, some of which they get to build and create together with their family. We train the volunteers on how to lead those activities. Kids always find it fun and get to engineer together with their parents.
Everybody has the freedom to move through the event the way that they like. You see the kids interacting with each other, meeting in the middle, finding their classmates and going, oh my gosh, where did you make that? Where was that one? And running off to the next activity to try them out.
Our Family Engineering Night activities have a broad range of topics, ranging from electricity to mechanical engineering to lots of different types of projects where kids and parents and families get to build together and create team challenges where they are launching things through the air or building structures together. Families often will walk away and say, wow, I had no idea that my son or daughter was interested in circuitry or was interested in building things, and opens the idea of new activities and possibly even future career opportunities for their students.